give us electrical energy that helps us light up the world, move things, heat things up, and cool things down. But outlets are not the only way we can get electrical energy. Batteries do a similar thing. It stores electrical energy. I can name a few things in my house, including my Chromebook. That plugs into an outlet, but also has a battery as well. I'm still wondering, how does the electricity get from the outlet to my computer? Electricity moves along a path, similar to the marbles on our ramps that we've made, or the marble in this video. It moves along a designated path. But the funny thing about electricity is it will only move along certain paths or certain materials. Electricity will move along copper and aluminum wires. They are known as conductors. Conductor is a fancy term that we use when we want to say a type of material that allows electrical energy to move through them. We use copper and aluminum in our everyday life. I'm sure you can find examples like pennies or aluminum foil in your house. Our computers and phones have many wires, both copper and aluminum, in it to help the electricity keep our Chromebooks working. Even items without cords use wires to allow electricity to pass through them, like a light bulb. As you can see, there are wires inside this bulb, and when you flip on the light switch, we can actually see electricity passing through it. Recapping what we know, electricity needs a path made of a conductor, either copper or aluminum, to allow electricity to pass through it. Going back to batteries for a second, they have a special thing that we need to be aware of. On the battery, I'm sure you've noticed that there's a bump on one end of the battery. That bump is located on the positive end of a battery, which is marked by the plus or positive sign. On the opposite side, you will notice the minus sign, noting the negative end of the battery. Batteries are special because you can actually hook up a wire to either end of the battery and create a path so energy can flow. The energy flows from the negative side to the positive side. If you take the path and the conductor away, the electrical energy stays within the battery. We have learned a lot about electrical energies, but some key things that are needed for energy to flow is a path for the energy to go somewhere, a conductor made of copper or aluminum. And if you have a battery, then we now know the energy flows from a negative to positive. Electrical energy is light energy, and we have learned a lot about this energy that we rely on so much. What is something you took away from these videos? What is something you learned about? Answer that question in the Google form below and submit it. Can't wait to see your responses.